Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix slow boot startup on Windows 11. So guys, firstly right click on start, then open task manager. Now here guys you have to click on startup. So guys, here you will see a list of programs and applications. So if you are not using particular applications, so best thing you have to disable them. Like Cortana, I don't want to use this one, so disable as a startup. So analysis these startup programs, and if you don't need in beginning to start any program, so make it disable. So this first thing you have to try, and the second thing you have to try, click on start, type control panel, open control panel, select view by as large icons, and in this list guys click on power options. So click on power options, and guys here you will see option additional power setting. So select there high performance. You have to select high performance, like I have my custom plan. So here guys you will see underneath additional power settings, high performance, so select that one, then close it. And another thing you can try, click on start, type device manager, open device manager. Now here expand display adapters, right click on display driver, update driver, and select browse my computer and select let me pick. Now here select Microsoft basic display adapter, and if you have any specific one, like in my case I have this two driver, and one of them is latest, this one, so select latest driver, then next. So once it's done, close it and restart your PC or laptop. So hopefully guys, using these simple and easy steps we can fix slow startup on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.